read your letters and waited for your call. I wondered if you think of me at all. It was Andres alone on the radio and hear their favorite song. And then I knew you'd soon be coming home. Don't say goodbye, it's hard to let you go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know. If you and I will always be in love forevermore, to leave me with just memories all alone. Diba? Ang ganda ng song. Nakakasa. Don't say goodbye, it's hard to let you go. Tomorrow seems so far away for me to know. If you and I will always be in love forevermore, don't leave me with just memories all alone. All alone. Thumbs up dyan at stay alive. Ayan. Thank you, Sisi Chinita. All alone. Yes, thank you naman. Thank you sa lahat na narito sa aking live.
DJ Flazy.
Sa lahat na naka-BG, maraming salamat guys. Ayan, naka-BG ang aking mama. Ayun siya ay may pasok.
DJ Flazy.
Ronnie, naka-BG din daw siya. Maraming salamat. Ay, saka dyan palakpak. Ayan, ang aking si Janice. Maraming salamat. Dapat nakaganyan. Kulang ng right. Million! Aking ka-Harlanzo! Mega love! Shout out! Thank you!
DJ Flazy.
Oh, kakulay ko yung emoji. Yan, kakanta tayo ulit guys. Mga pang lungkot-lungkutan. Yan, pang emote-emote. And when I hold you in my arms, I promise